In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix Steam Remote Play not working or won't connect. If your host and guest machines refuse to link up, follow along and try these fixes in order, keeping Steam open on both systems as you go. First, restart both your computer and the Steam client. A clean reboot flushes temporary glitches, resets network services, and often restores Remote Play without further work. Next, make sure Steam is fully up to date. In Steam, open the menu and choose Check for Steam Client Updates. Install anything pending and relaunch Steam so both host and guest are on the latest build. Now confirm Remote Play is actually enabled on both systems. Go to Steam Settings, then Remote Play, and ensure the feature is turned on for the host and for the guest. This is also where you'll manage devices and streaming options. To reduce conflicts, disable other network connections on both machines, leaving only your primary connection enabled. For example, if you use Ethernet, turn off Wi-Fi and any virtual adapters. This helps Steam pick a single, stable route. If you use Steam Link or secondary devices, unpair and repair them. In Remote Play settings, remove the device, then reconnect it following the on-screen instructions. This refreshes trust keys and pairing data. If you still can't connect, toggle hardware encoding or hardware decoding in Remote Play settings. Compatibility issues with certain GPUs or drivers can prevent sessions from starting, and switching off one or the other often resolves it. Test one change at a time. Check your firewall and antivirus settings to allow Steam and Remote Play. Make sure Steam and its streaming components are permitted for both private and public networks. If you recently installed security software, recheck those rules. Disable IPv6 on your active network adapter. Open your adapter's properties and uncheck Internet Protocol version 6, then apply and reconnect. Some networks misroute IPv6 traffic, which can break Remote Play discovery. Refresh your IP address. Open a command prompt with administrator privileges and run the commands IP protocol configuration release, then IP protocol configuration renew. This forces your system to obtain a fresh lease from the router. Verify you're not on the Steam beta client. In Steam settings, under beta participation, opt out of all beta programs, then restart Steam so both systems use the stable client. As a last resort, back up your game files, uninstall Steam, and reinstall the Steam client. After reinstalling, sign in, restore your backups, and test Remote Play again. Work through these steps patiently, and you should be back to streaming in no time. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to this channel for more videos like these.